Hey, not very warm. Hi you guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are at Knott's Berry Farm celebrating Allison and Jaden's birthday. We're here with the family. We're here with the Mr. Jams, Lupe. We have here Melanie, Ali. Oh my God, he's so mad. We have here Liam, and then Jenny's family over there. So yeah, you guys, we'll bring you guys along, show you guys, you know. Oh, sorry, it's just only me. So yeah, you guys, we're just gonna bring you guys along, you know. Yeah. So yeah, you guys.
We'll bring you guys along and show you guys what we're doing on the rides. Hopefully we can record and get content.
Period. Alright guys, so if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel and post notifications so that way you get notified every time we post a new video. Yo! Alright guys, so stay tuned. Whoa! What are you in jail for?
Breaking the law.
What are you in jail for?
Because I steal my dad's money.
What?
Are you guys ready for that ride? What about you, Ali?
I'm getting out. I'm gonna be like, I'm flying to the sky.
Yeah? There's that one right there.
And physically check your laptop.
Jazz fam, we're in line.
Push that button.
We got Melanie here. There's four people per ride. So it's gonna be me, Melanie, Elias, Lupe. No, I'll hold it. Brian, Jenny, Fern, Jay, and then the boys over there on that side.
And Ali knows where Ali is.
Ali's over there. Hi, Ali. Oh my God. Yeah, so Steph didn't get on the ride because she stayed with Liam. Like he's small.
And guys, I'm really scared.
It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. Yeah, I wanna record your reaction. I wanna record your reaction.
You better not.
Yeah.
When we were going nursery, her eyes were already watering.
Oh my God.
When we went up there, my eyes were already watering.
Guys, so I tried getting the camera and recording on the ride, but they didn't let me. And then I took my phone out and I was gonna record, and the guy's like, "Put your phone away." I'm like,
I think you should do a local next time, like when you're already like walking like.
how were you? Not.
Wait, what?
Just go after this one.
Melanie.
Oh my. Okay.
Hands up, hands up. Keep your hands up, Liam. Liam, hands up. Liam, hands up, Bobby. Hands up. Hands up.
That's funny. Were you scared?
No.
What do you have there?
A roly-poly.
Let me see. Show the Gems fam.
It's super smart.
Oh my God. Where are you getting that from? Let me see, Ali.
I'm hunting a roly-poly. You found. It's a box.
Liam, you don't want to hold the roly-poly?
And you have to do that thing.
You can hold my hand, mommy.
Ali and Elias are over there. We have Jay and Reyes over there. We got Lupe and Liam right here. We got Andrew right here that didn't even want to get in line. He's being lame. Whoa! Ali!
Melanie, are you excited? Huh? You guys, Melanie has been a scary cat. Right, Melanie?
Yeah, I'm gonna wait in this.
We literally went on a ride and she, right then and there, she was like, I don't want to get on. But she's gonna get on this one with me. Are you ready? Wow, Melanie. Heads up, heads up, heads It's so much fun! Ali! Ali! Lupe! Lupe! Hands up, hands up, hands up! You're brave? Oh, put your hands up. Put your hands up. Yeah, you're brave. Look at Melanie. We're all right here.
Let's go, Gems fam.
Ali, Melanie, are you excited? No.
I'm scared. I'm really scared. I'm terrified.
Whoa, we're gonna go really fast.
Hey, you know what's good? Hey, Jenny.
Whoa!
I got it. Melanie! Ali!
I'm trying to keep a straight face.
Let me see. Let me see. Now you're smiling. Let me see. Whoa! Alright guys, so we forgot to update you guys because we were all basically, no one was hungry, we were just hungry. So we left the theme park and we came back to the car because if you want to save some money, I suggest you guys do this. We made some tostadas de pollo and we put it in hielera with some drinks and all that. So we basically came to eat and now we're gonna go back to the theme park. Dude,
Guys, you like my new sweater?
hold on. Dude, the food in the theme park is super freaking expensive and there's a lot of us, so it saved us some money, period. So now we're going back to the theme park.
Whoa, are you guys ready?
I'm gonna go to the mountain.
Melanie, right here. You're gonna fly over the mountains? Melanie. Whoa. Ali, pull it towards you so you can go up. Pull it forward towards you. Pull it towards you. Whoa. Whoa. Hi.
They're over it already. They want to go home. They're tired. We just got on a water ride and let me see, Lupita, you're wet?
Look guys,
No?
my new sweater.
Oh my goodness, Jenny. Let me see, are you wet?
Yeah, look.
Oh yeah. Oh, show me.
Dude, it looks like you got out the shower from the back, but you can't really see it on camera.
Me?
No, because you're wearing dark colors.
Oh.
Like, wait. Dreamt it out.
Wait, I don't think. Look at what it is.
No, but point is, guys, she's really wet from the back.
Alright guys, we're about to get on this one right here. And Jenny, come on, what's going on, Jenny?
Guys, I'm nervous.
You're nervous? You'll be fine.
At the point that Liam can get on this ride.
Yeah, where's Liam? He's gonna get on this ride.
I just don't like being up in the air on screens.
Well, I told you have to wave your hands like you just don't care. Look, are you nervous?
Yeah, I feel like my heart's gonna pop out.
Dude, Jesse, Brian, and all the boys are getting in that one. Oh my god. I think that one's new. Well, from the last time that we've been here. Melanie, are you excited?
I'm shaking.
You're shaking? Why? Jenny! Where's Lupe? Huh? You're shaking? Wait. Lupe!
Guys, wait, mommy. Guys, so I'm in the blue
Wait.
one
Say it again?
So I'm in the blue boat and I'm swimming.
Oh my goodness. Alright, I'm gonna try to record Jesse and all the boys.
Go down the flat. Even Cito's on it and he's only 7. Me and Jay are 8.
Yeah. Oh my god. Damn.
Is that them?
No.
They had a pretty long ride.
Yeah. Oh, okay. They're next. So we might see them from right there. Going all the way up. Oh, they're going. They're going. Damn, how did he not? Who was that, Fernando?
Benji.
How was it? How was it? How was it? You survived. Are you crying?
No.
How was it?
I was dying.
Hey. How was it?
It was sick. They told me I couldn't have my hat on. So I took it off, and then when the ride started, I threw it back on.
Wow. So you broke the rules.
Yeah. I was a rebel.
Reyes, how was it? It was good? You were scared? You were scared on top?
He looks afraid. It's hard.
I know. Fernando, Uncle Fred! Alright guys, this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. That the kids literally had a freaking blast. I'm sorry I kind of didn't get enough content. I mean, I feel like when you're in a theme park, it's so hard to like just pull out the camera and record. In general, like, it's just so hard because I feel like I live in the moment so much that, yeah, it's hard for me to like, be vlogging for you guys, but I mean, I tried. But yeah, you guys, so I like roller coasters, I like theme parks, but I feel like this time it was all for the kids. We didn't really go to the section where like the big rides were at. So yeah, you guys, I mean, we all had a good time. I had a good time, the kids had a good time. We just, we all enjoyed. Yeah, so we're thinking of going to Six Flags soon, and that is going to be no kids, and I'm going to be able to enjoy the rides and everything like that, but this time was just for the kids. But yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so that way you get notified every time we post a new video. All right, we'll see you guys in the next video. We're the Jams family, and we're jamming out. Peace.